Welcome to Chris T's Kitchen. Today we are making chip shop curry sauce. You will need a knob of butter, a splash of sunflower oil, 1 medium onion, 1 tablespoon of plain flour, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of Chinese 5 spice, 1 teaspoon of caster sugar, 250 milliliters of chicken stock, and salt and pepper for seasoning to taste. Cooking method. Top and peel a medium onion. Dice the onion. A trick to do this is place the onion root side up and just below the roots, slice segments around the onion around 0.5 centimeters wide. Then turn the onion on its side and slice. This produces diced onion. Slice any onion from around the root. In a small frying pan, melt a knob of butter and a splash of sunflower oil. The oil helps prevent the butter from burning. Add the diced onion. Gently fry on a medium to low heat for 5 minutes. Then add 1 tablespoon of plain flour. Then add 1 teaspoon of curry powder. Add 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Add 1/4 teaspoon of Chinese 5 spice. Then stir and cook out for 2 minutes. Pour in 250 milliliters of chicken stock. Add 1 teaspoon of caster sugar and cook out for another 2 minutes. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Pour in a stick blender jug. Blend until smooth. Return to the pan. Cook for another 2 minutes. Pour in a serving jug or bowl. My chip shop curry sauce.